Hello kids, good afternoon. Welcome back in our mathematics class. So today we are going to start our chapter 1, numbers up to 999. Okay, in this chapter we will learn place value and face value. Comparison of two-digit numbers, and we will learn how to make three-digit number. Okay. So first we will start place value and face value. So look at the digit 1 and 2. The digit 1 represents one object. Object means apple. Digit 1 represents one apple, and the digit 2 represents two objects. It means two apple. You know that the digit 1 is greater than the digit 1. The digit 2 is big and digit 1 is small. Okay. Digit 1 and 2 can be used to make number 12 and 21. Look at here. Here two number is given. See, from the help of 1 and 2, one number is 12 and second number is 21 we have made. So, in number 12, 1 is on tens place. Face value of 1 is 1 only. See, here face value of 1 is 1. And number 12, 2 is on ones place. Then face value of 2 is 2. It means the digit is in any place. If 1 is on tens place, 1 is on ones place. But the face value of 1 will be 1 only. Okay, face value will be not changed. In second example, with the help of 1 and 2, we have made number 21. Okay. So, in 21, 2 is on tens place, right? So, face value of 2 is 2 and 1 is on 1 place. Face value of 1 is 1. See, in this both example, in first example, 1 is on tens place. In second example, 1 is on tens place. But the face value of 1 is in both place 1 only. Okay, face value will be not changed. Face value is the value of digit in a number. So the digit 1 has the same face value in both the numbers 12 and 21. Okay. The face value of a digit always remains the same. Remember that, kids. Using ones and tens, we write 12 and 21 as you can see in this picture. Now our next topic is place value. PLACE, place, and VALUE, value. Kids, don't confuse in face value and place value. Face value will be not changed. Now place value. In number 12, in first example, number 12, the 1 is on tens place and 2 is on ones place. So, the place value of 2 is 2 ones and place value of 1 is 110. Okay. Now, in second example, 21, in 21, the 2 is on tens place and 1 is on ones place. So the place value of 1 is 1 1 and place value of 2 is 2 tens. So kids, in place value, if digit will change place, then place value will be changed. Okay, place value will be changed and face value will be not changed if digit is in any place. Okay, we see that in the number 12 the value of 2 ones is less than the value of 1 10. The number 21 the value of 2 tens is greater than the value of 1 1. This is because of its place value. Okay, place value will be changed. If one digit, in first example, one digit on tens place, so place value of 1 is 110. If in number 21, 1 is on ones place, so one's place value is a 1 1. Okay, place value will be changed. Place value of a digit is the value of digit because of its place in a number. Okay kids, now next topic I will explain you in my next video. Okay kids, now bye bye, thank you and see you soon. Take care of yourself.